A new elite is forming. They don't wear suits, they don't appear on television, and most people don't even know they exist. But they are quietly positioning themselves for the biggest economic shift in history. And it's powered by AI. For decades, success required a degree, a stable job, climbing a corporate ladder. That system is collapsing. AI can now write reports, design logos, create marketing campaigns, analyze legal documents. What took a team of 5 now takes one person with the right tools. The middle class is not disappearing randomly. It is being automated. But here's what most people miss. AI is not replacing everyone. It is replacing those who don't adapt. The new elite is not made of coders. It's made of people who understand leverage. They use AI to multiply output, reduce effort, scale income, control information. One intelligent operator with AI can outperform entire departments. The dangerous part? Most people are distracted, scrolling, arguing, complaining, while a small group is learning how to command AI, how to monetize digital systems, how to build assets without employees. The gap is widening, quietly. You have 2 options: ignore the shift, or study it. Learn prompt engineering, learn automation, learn digital leverage. You don't need permission, you need awareness. The future will not reward effort, it will reward intelligence. The new elite is forming. The only question is, will you be replaced or will you be positioned? Subscribe, this is just the beginning.